Want to create a smooth professional animation in PowerPoint like a pro? Let's master the Morph Transition effect step by step. First, delete any existing text boxes from your slide. Now go to the Insert tab. Click Picture. Select this device and add your images. As you can see, PowerPoint automatically arranges the images. Choose a clean layout that looks good. Now select all the images. Right-click and choose Bring to Front. Next, go to the Slide Thumbnail panel. Right-click your slide and select Duplicate Slide. Now rearrange the position and size of the images slightly on this new slide. Again, duplicate the slide. Repeat this process for all your images. Each slide should have a slightly different arrangement. Now select all the slides by holding the Shift key. Go to the Transition tab and choose Morph. Set the duration 3 seconds. Then click Apply to All. Now press F5 or click Slideshow to see the magic. And there you have it, a smooth cinematic morph transition in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing PowerPoint tricks.